Hey everyone, this video gives you some direction on how to navigate a slides presentation, and then it will specifically show you how to navigate the About Me student presentation. So when you are creating a slides presentation, normally I will create the presentation for you and assign it within Classroom, making a template for each one of you individually, which is what I did for the About Me student presentation. However, within those presentations, I'm still going to give you the freedom to be creative. So typically, whenever you have a presentation that you're working on, the first thing you'll do, if a name is not already provided for you in Classroom, which it will be, but you could name your presentation in the upper left-hand corner. So presentation name. After you name your presentation, the first thing that I would do is look at the themes and find a theme that you would like to use to work on your presentation. You can also import themes from the internet by copying themes onto your Google Drive and then using those within your own presentations. But for today, we'll use one of the ones that have already been created. So you'll click on the theme that you would like to use, and it will apply it. And then from there, you can start working on your presentation. So the first slide will typically be a slide that allows you to title your presentation. So to begin working on it, all you have to do is click in the text box, and then it'll allow you to start typing. If I could type correctly. Whenever you're doing a presentation, you always want to title your presentation and then put your name down so that everyone knows that it belongs to you. Once you get your title slide done, you can come over to the side and you can add a new slide. If you click the Add button, it'll create a slide that is the same as the one above, or it will automatically format you a slide to create the body of your presentation. If you wanted to add a slide with a different layout, you could do the drop-down arrow, and these are the different options of layouts that you could use in your presentation. So you can be creative and use different layouts depending what type of information you want to give. Once you start adding different layouts and different slides, you can insert whatever information you need to into the slides so that you can present that to the class or to me. On the toolbar are the different options that you would need if you wanted to change the font here. You could change the font size here. You could bold text or put it in italics or underline it. If something's already typed and you'd like to do that retroactively, you can highlight something and then go and change it there. You can also highlight something, and if you click on the ellipses, it'll show you more options. So this is where you would go if you wanted to put something in center alignment. So this is how you would create slides and insert information. If you wanted to, you could also insert different things into your slides. You could go and insert an image, and you can actually search right within the slides webpage for a Google image if you wanted to. So I could search up a Panther mascot if I was doing a presentation about Knox Central, and then I could enter that directly into my presentation, and it would pop up on the screen. I could also insert additional text boxes if I wanted to change or add something within a slide. I could insert a table if I wanted to organize information another way. So there are many options of what you can do in a slides presentation. If I needed to change the format of any of my slides, like line spacing, you could switch to double space. You could use different tools. And like with Google Docs, you could get add-ons for presentations. So you could probably also go here to download different themes. You could create diagrams in your presentations if you wanted to, so that's just an example. Now, for the About Me student template presentation, I have created the slides that you need to put information into, and below you will see the directions of what you will what information you will put into each slide. So the directions are already listed here, but I do want you to be creative. So I did a generic theme for this, but if you wanted to change the theme, which I suggest that you do, click on theme and you will see all of the different themes here, and you can switch to something to be more creative. And then, like I showed you before, anything that you want to change within the presentation, you can do that using the toolbar. And then when you click to add text, you'll notice that the toolbar expands, allowing you to change font or font size or anything else. And again, you will be putting a picture into this presentation. So to do that, you could go to Insert and you could search for an image from the web, or you could upload one from your computer. Or if you have photos stored on your Google Drive, you can do that. An easy thing to do would be to upload a picture onto your Drive from your computer and then upload the picture from Drive. If you have any additional questions, just let me know.